Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I did this half up half down using better length clip-ins, then make sure you stay tuned. The hair I'm going to be installing today is from BetterLengthHair, and this is their Kinky Curly hair in the length 20 inches. The hairstyle I'm going for is a half up, half down. So first I'm going to section off the front of my hair, and then I'm going to put the back in 2 braids. Okay, so I just braided down the back of my hair. For the front part, I'm gonna slick it to like the middle of my head and put it in a ponytail, and then I'm gonna add the clip-ins to the back, so like it's a half up, half down situation. So now I'm putting the clip-ins in. When I install them, I kind of put them in a U-shaped form, and then I start with the 5 clips, and then I just go down from there. Okay, so I put most of the clip-ins in, and I defined the hair with mousse and gel, and this is how the hair looks. So I'm gonna get the 2-clip track. I braided up my ponytail. I'm gonna put it facing this way, so opposite of all the other clips. And now I'm gonna get a ponytail holder. I'm gonna take a section of the top part of the clip-ins, and I'm just gonna take all that, and I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. I'm gonna do like 1 or 2 loops. And this is how it looks. I can't just leave this braid right here. So with the braid, I'm going to tuck it under the clip-ins. It's kind of hard to describe, so I'm gonna show you guys as I describe what I'm doing. Okay, so all the clip-ins are closed because they're attached to my braids. So in order to slide this braid under the clip-ins, I'm going to unclip one, and then I'm going to slide the braid under. I have to unclip it so the track can actually move and I can slide the braid under. And now I'm gonna show you guys how I actually do it so it can all make sense. Let me raise this so you guys can actually see. You guys should be able to see now. So I divided the ponytail in half. 2 clip, I just unclipped 1 of the clips, and then now I'm sliding it under. And then I'm gonna clip the side back so that clip is secure, because there's only 2 clips with that track. Now for the next track, there's some space right here, so I'm just gonna slide the braid right through there. Now I believe this next one is a 3 clip, and so I unclipped the middle section, and now I'm sliding the braid through that open space. And I'm just gonna keep doing that until the braid is fully tucked in under all the clip-ins. So I'm gonna fast forward through the rest of this, and I won't really be explaining. I'll just let you guys watch it and see for yourself. Okay, so now you guys see how I hide my braid. This is how the hair is looking. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in and define some of the curls. The hair already looks pretty good, as you can see. I'm just gonna define some of the parts that are a bit frizzy, like these ends and some other parts in the hair. So again, this is their Kinky Curly hair, and it's supposed to resemble the 3P through 3C hair texture. I can definitely see myself using this hair for other hairstyles. Definitely a flip over. I feel like that would look so cute. This hair is from BetterLengthHair, and they specialize in making texture extensions, especially for Black women. And they don't just sell clip-ins, they also sell ponytails, wigs, closures, tape-ins, and much more. Tell me in the comment section how you feel about this hair. I really like how it looks. I really like how it came out. I'm definitely going to be doing more hairstyles with this hair on my TikTok, so make sure you follow me on TikTok if you aren't already. If you aren't already, at Estella Vashti. All the information on this hair will be in the description box. If you didn't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.